Hello everyone, my name is Sara Lomas and we are going to be discussing the parenting styles by theorist Diana Baumrind. Who is Diana Baumrind? She's a developmental psychologist that observed three preschoolers that displayed three different types of behavior. Therefore, through her observations, she noticed the correlation of children behavior with three different parenting styles. In 1983, McCabe and Martin expanded Diana's parenting model ideas by creating a two-dimensional framework. However, Diana's parenting model is also categorized into four major groups that we will discuss in all the other slides. What is a parenting style? It's simply the way a parent raises his or her child and children. It is important because a parent's style determines the environment that a child is raised in. There's authoritative, permissive, authoritarian, and neglectful that was later added by McCabe and Martin. Parenting styles. Now we will discuss the four types of parenting styles. There's authoritative, which is simply a style that's characterized by high responsiveness and demands because the parent is responsive to a child's needs, sets limits, and enforces boundaries. Parents can often be supportive, value independence, and have high expectations for their children. The outcome is that they will have higher academic performance, higher self-esteem, and better social skills. There's also authoritarian. It is also known as strict parenting that allows little dialogue from their children because the child is expected to follow a specific set of strict rules and expectations. Parents can often be strict on rules, unresponsive, and expect obedience. The outcome of this is that they will have less self-esteem, poor social skills, and a lower academic performance. Number 3 is permissive. It's also known as indulgent parenting because parents are responsive but not demanding, therefore can become dangerous. Parents can often be lenient and have few or no rules. The outcome of this is that children will be egocentric, have impulsive behavior, and have problematic relationships that will affect in having poor social skills. Number 4 is neglectful. It's simply a parent who's neglectful against their child's behavior. Parents can often be indifferent, cold and unresponsive, and have no boundaries set. The outcome of this is that children are more likely to suicide, have drug and alcohol abuse, and impulsive behavior. Now, which parenting style is the most effective? Authoritative has been proven to provide higher standards for achievement, maturity, and provides the most responsiveness. Now, how does this theory apply to the classroom? A child who receives an authoritative parenting style is going to be confident in completing all their tasks. Therefore, they'll have developed an emotional regulation and developed social skills, so they'll be able to grow in a classroom. While a child who receives authoritarian parenting is more likely to be unhappy, react poorly, and have frustration issues, but still likely to do well in school. While there must also be a child who is in a permissive parenting household, who has poor emotion regulation and is often rebellious and defiant when facing challenges. Now, why is this important? This is important because there are a range of students in classrooms, all with different parenting styles, meaning they all have their own parents who have their own style beliefs. Therefore, as teachers, we must be able to provide a positive style to help enhance a child's learning. Thank you for watching.